In this video, I am going to discuss determination of pull-up to pull-down ratio ZPU by ZPD for an NMOS inverter driven by another NMOS inverter. So this is a inverter, this is one more inverter. So one inverter is driven by the other inverter. So this is a NMOS inverter where depletion MOSFET is on the pull-up, enhancement MOSFET is on the pull-down. So in the depletion MOSFET, this gate and source are tied together. We call that as VGS equal to 0. So this enhancement MOSFET is given the input and we take the output here. So pull-up device is depletion MOSFET, gate and source connected, which is always on, and pull down device is this enhancement MOSFET where we apply the input here. So how it works as an inverter? When Vin is equal to 0, we know enhancement MOSFET is off. So enhancement MOSFET is off for Vin 0, and depletion MOSFET we made always to on. So pull up device is depletion MOSFET, so pull up is always on. So due to which we have the output voltage is equal to, we have a path from the supply. So output voltage is equal to logic high. Similarly, when Vin is equal to 1, then depletion MOSFET is always on. We know depletion MOSFET is always on. And this enhancement MOSFET we are making to on. Whenever we give input voltage greater than threshold voltage, this pull down device will become on. So due to which we have a short circuit path to the ground and the output voltage is equal to 0. So whenever we are applying 0 as an input, we are getting output as 1, and if we give 1, we are getting 0. So let us consider a middle point where whenever we are going from 0 to 1 or from 1 to 0, we have a middle point that is at 0.5 VDD. So that point we need to consider. So in that point, both these transistors will be in the saturation. So that is a very important condition for doing this derivation. So Vin is equal to Vout is equal to V inverse. So it is called as an inverse point. The middle point 0.5 VDD is called as an inverse point, switching threshold point. So that point is to be considered. It is very important. From there onwards we can proceed. So whenever both the transistors are drawing equal currents, both are in saturation region, then IDS equation, drain to source current equation, is equal to kW by L VGS minus VT whole square. So this is the equation for saturation region, as we know. So this is saturation region current equation. So this is saturation region IDS equation. So we need to consider pull up saturation region current equation, pull down saturation region current equation, and we need to equate those two. So we need to consider pull up IDS. So IDS is equal to, for pull up, so WPU pull up, LPU, and VGS. What is VGS for pull up? 0. So 0 minus VTD. What is VTD? D is depletion MOSFET threshold. So this is our equation. So this is equation 1. And we can make W by L is nothing but 1 by Z. Since we know Z is equal to L by W, just I can make this IDS is equal to K. W by L is 1 by Z. So Z K by ZPU into minus VTD whole square. So this is equation 1. So similarly, we can consider pull down also. So for that we need to write IDS. So for pull down, we need to write IDS equation. So K W by L, this is for pull down. What is VGS? VGS is, we are considering the inverse point, no? So V inverse minus VT. VT is threshold voltage of enhancement MOSFET. So we know L by W is nothing but Z. So W by L is 1 by Z, pull down. So V inverse minus VT whole square. So this is IDS of the pull down device. So this is equation 2. So both are drawing equal currents. So that is our assumption we have made. So equating 1 and 2, then we will have K Z by ZPU. So K by ZPU minus VTD whole square is equal to K by ZPD V inverse minus Vt whole square. So K gets cancelled. So ZPU, if I send that side, that will become numerator, and I will have minus VTD whole square by V inverse minus Vt whole square. So if I send the squares this side, then it will become root ZPU by ZPD, then minus VTD by V inverse minus Vt whole square. If I substitute the typical values, so typical values are VTD is equal to minus 0.6 VDD, V inverse is equal to 0.5 VDD because it is a middle point, and threshold voltage is 0.2 VDD. Then what is its root ZPU by ZPD? Minus into minus plus 0.6 VDD by 0.5 VDD minus 0.2 VDD, that is 0.3 VDD. This gets cancelled and it is 2 by 1. So if I square both sides, this root gets cancelled and this becomes square. So 4 by 1. So the ratio is, the answer is pull up by pull down ratio of one inverter driven by the another NMOS inverter is 4 by 1. So this question mark is 4 by 1. Thank you one and all.